Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's another Tip Tuesday. This week's tip, we are going to use Microsoft Excel and Copilot to go out and extract information from a web page that shares all the sessions for the upcoming conference that we're going to. This may take a little bit of time, but my prompt is, using the list of sessions at the web address, can you create a list of the following information? Session title, presenter, date, time, level, location, and suggested attendee persona. Let's see what Copilot comes up with. That took a few minutes, but how cool is this? Not only did it give me the session title, the presenter, the date, time, level, and location, it also cross-referenced my other tab that has the attendee's name and what their roles are. Let's take a look at that. We have 6 different attendees with different roles in the organization, and their primary conference focus is also listed here. So not only did Copilot give me the list that I asked it for, it also gave the suggested person that should attend those sessions. Now, next week, we're going to do something else with this, so be sure to check back with me. I know this was quick, but that's my tip for this week. I encourage you to go out and try this yourself. I'll be back next week with another great tip. And in the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. Until next time, I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's my job to make your job easier.